Decision or denial? Does Test cricket matter, or are we so used to losing abroad that it doesn't even hurt us anymore? Rather, while it continues to hurt fans, does it matter to the BCCI and more specifically to the Indian captain? With a bowling lineup that concedes 450 runs in each of the last 4 away tests and with no spinners, with our spinners picking just 1 wicket each in the 4th innings, we shudder to think what will happen when we tour England for a 5-test series later in the year, or Australia for a 4-test series in December. Will the ignominy of straight defeats like in 2011 continue and come back to haunt us? Perhaps the only silver lining is the batting, with Virat leading the way, Pujara, Shikhar Dhawan and most recently Ajinkya Rahane also showing glimpses that they're here for the long haul. But all said and done, Indian Test cricket is at a crossroad. Never has it been more opportune to ask, will there be some hard decisions, or should we continue to be in a mode of denial? Welcome everyone to a very special presentation on Headlines Today, Decision or Denial, with me, Shivani Gupta. Joining me on the show today are experts, former India captain, someone who perhaps has some answers. Sourav Ganguly is joining us from Kolkata, and we'll pick his brain on just what India needs to do. Noted cricket historian, consulting editor Boria Majumdar also joins us from Kolkata. And Deputy Editor, India Today, Kunal Pradhan is with me in the studio. So what's the way forward for the Indian team? The team which has now lost 10 of the last 14 matches abroad, a team that has gone down to lowly placed New Zealand as well. Should the captain be sacked, or the Indian cricket fan will simply have to live with the same team that has made losing a habit? Take a look.
I think we have been improving, and if you compare those 2 series to the last few that we have played, there's plenty of improvement.
Well, unfortunately, we ending up in a losing side, but and we all guys, it's a new team. All our young players got 5-6 matches under their belts. So of course, it takes a bit of.
India's worst winless streak since 2000, but it's also the worst. In fact, it's the worst since the 1960s, the decade India won its first test. Our current captain has now become the worst on foreign soil with 11 losses. So what is the solution? Can the selectors do something to change the trend? Unfortunately, it seems the answer is no. Dhoni will remain the captain.
You don't think so? It's time to sack Mahendra Singh Dhoni. If the World Cup is 1 year away and you cannot sack Mahendra Singh Dhoni at this time, maybe if the World Cup wasn't a year away, you could have sacked him.
Before the 2015 World Cup. But the biggest question is, are we going to be any better prepared? Is there light at the end of the tunnel? Or is India's test future bleak? Sports Bureau, Headlines Today.